Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat, sa mga OFWs dito sa Middle East. Magandang gabi. And sa ating mga kababayan din sa Pilipinas, good morning. It's already 1 o'clock in the morning. So now, we will check the PCI today. So, kung ano na nangyari sa PCI. Umangat ba o bumaba? So, after that, we will check the companies na presyo ay nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. And also, there are some stock or companies that we need to see also. Now, let's go to the PCI. So PCI, price action, I see here there's a loss of momentum, but if PCI will close above 5,954.47 tomorrow, there is a chance that PCI will climb back to this this area, or maybe in AME 100. But if ever he will close tomorrow below 5,910.73, there's a possibility that the PCI will come back on this location. Because now I see that there is a loss of momentum for PCI. So there is a big possibility that I will going back to this area if tomorrow he will not close above 5,954.47. And today's parent ceiling is 436.79 million. If you will see the indicator, ADX is below 25, still non-trending. ADX, MACD is going up, but it is in below the zero line. So we will see tomorrow, because today is up by 0.09%. And as I said, if we close above 5,954.47, there is another possibilities that he will hit this area again, the resistance above. So now let's going back to the screener. We will check the stock above all exponential moving averages. Thank you for watching, Engineer Edwin Bilan. We will see dito. Now let's going back to the screener. If we see dito, it is above all exponential moving averages. So you will see here. So, this is by the way, this is all the stock in the companies in the stock market. Some it is in a downtrend. No, it means it is a downtrend. This is all the stock in the Philippine stock market. So if we scroll it down, there are a lot of companies here in the stock market. So that's why there are a lot of opportunities. Don't focus on the stock that always yung lumilipad na stock. Wait for an opportunity because marami po tayong mga companies nandito sa stock market. So ito yung mga companies. There are downtrend and there are sideways and there are also above all exponential moving averages, the prices. So there are a lot here. But now we'll focus the companies na ang prices ay nasa taas na ng exponential moving averages. Okay? So let's go to the screener. We will filter the stock na above AME 20, stock above AME 50, stock above AME 100, and stock above AME 200. So this is the stock now, or the companies, yung prices ay nasa taas ng exponential moving averages. So we'll count how many now. There are 44 companies. Okay, there is 2 new companies. The price is coming up above all exponential moving averages, which is TBGI and TUGS. We have also LAC, FFI, and the rest is the same. No, this company is already there. How many weeks ago? Their prices is above all exponential moving averages. So now we will see the stock na yung may magandang pattern, yung mga stock na bago pa lang tumataas sa above AME 200. So kasi yung iba dito, for example, itong ECAN. Kung tingnan natin yung ECAN, ay mataas na po itong ECAN. So we'll not focus on the stock na nasa taas. So here there is a company, for example, yung C. Ito po ay malapit pa lang sa may tumataas ito eh. Tapos ngayon, nagre-retrace. Titingnan natin kung C. Kasi kasama po ito sa dito. Magkano sila itong dito kasi subsidiary siya itong dalawa. Yung dito sa C. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung C. CNPF. Itong Eagle. EEI. East West. IRC. And yung 2 na bagong pasok, yung TBGI at saka TUGS. Tingnan natin yan. So yung dito ay nandito pa rin sa screener. Yung price is still above the all exponential moving averages. So we'll go first to dito. So going back to the chart. So we'll check first dito. So if we see dito, if I will put Bollinger Band, see this is the Bollinger Band. Here the price is the closing price is above all exponential, above the upper Bollinger Band. So it means you just steady if the price is closing above all the Bollinger Band, the upper Bollinger Band. So if you see here, the price is closing price is above the upper Bollinger Band, and it's continue going up. And now when the price is the closing price is going inside the Bollinger Band, there's a retracement, so it's going down. But take note, this data is hitting the 52-week high, which is 7.18. This is the previous 52-week high. So just check the previous video about trading 52-week high pullback. So in 52-week high, we are using EMA 10. So if you see EMA 10 is bouncing EMA 10, the price of dito. So this is the one we need to see if the price is hitting the 52-week high. This is the previous 52-week high, the red color, 7.18. So just check the video. Last time I posted in the channel about trading 52-week high. Now let's go back to the scenario of dito. This is only my analysis. In this area, you cannot see where is the support and resistance. Kasi mataas na po. So we'll reduce the time frame. So let's go to the 1 hour. So kung tingnan natin yung 1 hour, if you see the 1 hour chart, yung price ay nasa ibaba na ng AMA 20. Okay? So we need to see if there is a bounce on this yellow line, this support. So this around 6.08. Okay, we will see if there's a bounce. There's a possibility that he will going back to 6.49. But if hindi siya mag-bounce and break this yellow line, which is the support, there's a possibility that he will going back to 5.33 area. So we will see in 5-minute chart. This is the 5-minute chart. So if we see here, this is the resistance area. And when the price break this resistance, there is a pullback and bounce this support. Kasi yung resistance na maging support. So it means this is a support area, this yellow line. So if we project here, it is in 6.08 area. Now if we see the price here, the price is now below AMA 100. So there's a possibility that dito will going back to 6.08 or in the AMA 200, this green line, which is 6.09. But if you see here in the chart, the price action, the momentum is losing. Okay, if you will draw a line, inclined line, you will project this one. Now it is in the resistance area here. So there's a possibility that this one will go down here. Unless he break this yellow inclined line. So we will see tomorrow kung ma-break na itong yellow line. And then the EMA20 will go up. This is the 5-minute chart. But in the 5-minute chart, it's below EMA100. But if we see in 1 hour chart, the same we will see in the 6.08 area. Now, if ever he will going back, there's a possibility that he will hit this area. And if he break it, going again back to the previous 52-week high, this is good area for dito, this area. But if you see now, if we draw a line here, this is the same. We need this line to be break, this inclined line. But now is below EMA20 in 1 hour chart. We'll go to the daily chart. This is the same. We need to wait dito on this area. That's good area for in this area. Okay, so now let's go to C. For C, we will wait see if we will going back to this area. So now, even if you will reduce in the 1 hour chart, C is below EMA20. Okay, if you draw a line here, this is the high of this day. So if he will bounce, there's a possibility that he will go into this area. But if he will close tomorrow or break the EMA50, so there's a possibility that this one will go back to this line. But now is below EMA20. So we'll remove the volunteer band. So we'll remove this one. Yeah, it's there. He's in the EMA20. So we'll see tomorrow if there's a bounce in this area. There's possibility that he will going back to this area. But the good thing if C will stay on this above on this line. So we will see in this area, the 1 hour chart. We're going back to daily chart. So we need to break this line, this resistance line. EMA20 ay malayo pa sa daily chart. But if ever tomorrow ay magpula pa rin si C, so we will expect C will going to this area. Kung magpula si bukas. Maybe there's a possibility that he will going back to this rotation. But if we break this resistance, we will see if there's a pullback, and this is the time we need to watch C. Now let's go to Eagle, CNPF. CNPF ay na-break na itong resistant, but we need to watch tomorrow if CNPF will continue going up. And if we continue, we will check the pullback. Always we watch the pullback. But if ever he will close tomorrow this line, this resistant line, so we'll speak, he will go again for retracement. If you see the ADX, it's about 25, but MACD is still not crossing the signal line. So this is not a confirmed breakout because MACD ay hindi pa nag-cross doon sa signal line. So we'll wait if we will break and MACD is crossing above the signal line. And if there is a retracement, this is the time we need to see. If we will draw an incline resistance, so this is the incline resistance, no support rather. If this one will break, the possibility will going down. So this is the price action analysis. If we break this incline support, possibly will go down again in this support below. But if we will go continue and then there's a pullback, this is the time we need to see again CNPF. Now Eagle, now in Eagle, may nasa resistant area si Eagle ngayon. So we will reduce the, so mataas na po si Eagle, no? So we need to wait if there is a retracement for Eagle. If we go up and then there's a retracement, we will see. But now we will see MACD. See, MACD is not crossing the signal line. And ADX is about 25. So, hintay-hintay lang tayo ng confirmation na breakout. Kasi yung MACD ay hindi pa nag-cross. So, hindi siya confirmed breakout. PEI. For EI, we will watch sa EI. We will put in our watch list. Kasi nandito pa yan sa ibaba ng AMA 200. So, we will keep watching EI. Tingnan natin yung MACD. Now is trying to cross the signal line. If ever mag-cross siya, tapos mag-break dito sa resistance, this is good for EI. Kasi yung ADX ay nasa about 25 na. But if ever mag-break siya dito, tapos hindi naman nag-cross yung MACD, this is not a confirmed breakout. So we'll see if he can break or he will go pull back. So we need to watch the EI. So first, this is the first priority EI. You need to put in your watch list. Because now it's near EME 200 area. EW, EW, you need to see also EW. And now is in above EME 200. MACD ay nasa above signal line. But he is near the resistant area. So you need to see if there is a, for example, if we are going up, now we can see here, this area is the resistant area now. Okay, so if ever there is a pullback, we need to watch east west. Nandito na yan sa may above EME 200. So east west and EI, we need to see, we will put in the watch list. IRC. IRC ay mataas na si RIC. Now, if you can draw the incline resistance, incline support from here, so we need to watch the IRC if we will going back to this incline support. But if you draw the support also in the horizontal line, natin dito, so this is the support now. Maybe going sideways. We will see. So there is two times hit here, and then this one hindi na break out. Also this area. So yun po ay resistant, and this one nagiging support. So we will see kung sa sideways siya dito, bababa dito, tapos mag sideways, tatama dito sa may incline support. So we need to see IRC maybe how many days. Now we will see. Next one is TBGI. Si TBGI ay tumataas, nasa above EME 200 na rin. Now, this area ay nagiging resistant. Kasi na-hit na dito, 1, 2 times. So, now we will wait a pullback from, if hindi na ma-penetrate itong yellow line, we will see if there is a pullback going to EME 200 and EME 20. Kasi angat yung EME 20, mag-cross sa EME 200, and this is the time we need to see. Wala pa tayong makitang pattern dito ngayon na showing aggressiveness of the buyer. But it is confirmed that this area ay resistant. So makikita natin dito na malapit na naman siya sa may resistant. If ever hindi niya ma-break yan, we will expect there is a pullback. So this is the time we need to watch. If we see EDX is above 25, 71. Malakas po yung EDX nito, no? And the RSI is 75, so this is overbought. So it means it's candidate for retracement. So we need to wait if there is a retracement or if there is a breakout. So next one is TUGS. Si TUGS po ay biglang na-break na itong resistant, incline resistant. So now, mahirap po ito sakyan kasi napakataas po nito. So we need to wait if there is a retracement. 28% from AME 200. So if we will measure from AME 200 again, it is 30%. So we need to see if there is a retracement of TUGS. But for now, we will wait for retracement. So wag po ninyong habulin yung mga stock na tumataas bigla. We need to wait always in the support area if there is a pullback. Okay, there is a stock here we need to add. Ito pa hindi po sa above AME all exponential moving averages, but they want to see this stock also. We'll see WIB. So kung titingnan natin yung WIB, ay tumama po sa may AMA, resistant rather. And then we will see what is the next price action of WIB. But for me, it is good na umakyat si WIB dito. So in this area. So this is good time we need to see WIB kung aakyat siya dyan. But for now, it is in the resistant area. So if ever he break this resistance and there is a retracement, this is a good area we need to see WIB. But in case hindi na ma-break, just wait, see another opportunity. But for now, he is candidate for retracement because today a bearish candle. So we'll see kung magre-retreat siya dito sa may AME 20. But for me, as I said, it's a good area here. This yellow line. Now we see AXLM. AXLM. Si AXLM ay nakalabas na po dito sa may incline resistant. And now AME 200 is here. So, but today, nag-read po yung AXLM. So we need to see if he will bounce again here in the support area, this incline. But I see loss of momentum now. If tomorrow AXLM will close below 265, again, red candle. So you need to be mag-iingat na po kayo din kasi there is a loss of momentum kung bukas ay magpula pa rin si AXLM. But if ever he will close above 2.70, there's a possibility na ma-hit na itong resistance dito sa may AME 200. So take note, in my own analysis, if AXLM tomorrow ay mag-red, so expect there is a loss momentum and there's a possibility that this incline support will be broken. So if we see here, MACD is still not crossing above the signal line. Now EGI, if we see EGI price action, this is the resistance area na hit po niya 2 times. Now, in the third time, hindi na siya umabot dito sa may area na ito. So there is a loss of momentum, but if ever ma-hold niya ang area dito sa may 20, and there's a bounce here, there's a possibility that they will going back to this area, this resistance here, minor resistance. So malapit na lang yan. Yan, no? So, but for me, kung ako yung analyze, dito yung magandang area na abangan si TBGI. Kung akyat si TBGI dito, ma-break na itong minor resistance dito, tapos mag-pull back, ditong area, ito yung maganda na area titingnan. Pero, kung daily trader ka, kung ka sa stock market, monitor, pwede na ka para sa akin lang, pwede na ako mag-position ditong banda. Pero kung may trabaho ka, hindi natin alam, no? Baka biglang bumagsak. Pero kung nakatuto ka sa stock market, ditong area, nag-hold po siya. So, there's a possibility na ma-break na itong resistance, and if there's a pullback, dito natin abangan yung position trading ka. Kasi malapit lang yan sa may resistance, no? So, for me, na may trabaho mo kami dito, so dito, bitin na ditong banda. So, Jollibee, the remaining there is on the 3. Si Jollibee, tingnan natin yung price action dito. Nag-hit sa resistance. The third, fourth time, hindi na siya nag-hit. Kaya yung momentum ay humina, na-break na itong incline support. Dalawang beses na na-break niya. Bumalik na naman siya ngayon. So ngayon, tingnan natin dito. Lagyan natin ng resistance. Itong high nito, i-connect natin dito sa may high dito sa kabila. So ito po yung naging resistance. Now, maganda kung mag-stay si Jollibee ditong area. This area. We need to watch Jollibee. If ever I break tomorrow and going to this area and then there's a pullback, this is the time we need to watch itong area because ito ay resistant, ito ay magiging support. And also this inclined line ay support din. So we need to see Jollibee in this location. Now, Omega Word. Kung titingnan natin si Omega Word, wala, humina na yung ni Omega Word. Tumaas, din nung umakyat, bumaba, umakyat, hindi lumabot dito sa taas. So, Omega Word ay humina yung ni Omega Word ngayon. So, iwas muna tayo din. So, last one is Tech. Si Tech ay nag-bounce nung nakarang October 8 dito sa may support. So, dalawang beses na ito niya na hit. And this upper line, ito po yung resistance. Nag-bounce siya, pero nag-retrace again. So, we will see kung mag-bounce ulit siya dito sa below na support, yung yellow line. But now we see that there is a loss of momentum of Tech. So there's a possibility na pupunta siya dito sa baba. There's a possibility. But if ever, bukas ay bumawi, and then ma-break na itong resistance, and pumatong siya dito sa may taas, dito sa may MA20, so this is good for tick. But if ever tomorrow magpula, so there's a big possibility that this support, yellow line below, ay ma-break po. Kasi base sa price action, nag-lose momentum po yung tick. But we need to see tomorrow kung ma-break nito and stay on this location. This is good for tick. You will see the ADX. If you see the negative BMI, it is above the positive BMI. And MACD is below zero line and below the signal line. So we just hope that tick will come back above this line. So that's it for today. And now we will see because the will come back. We just come back to tick. We'll see tick again. So lumabo po yung ano natin, yung chart. So but we will as I said, we need to see if tick will go above 5.53 tomorrow. Otherwise, we will going down, and there's a possibility will break the resistance. So, umina po yung chart. May problema na naman sa chart. So, last thing I will show to you the chart, the screener. This is the last. I will share to you the stock below EMA 200. So we'll go back to the screener. We'll filter the stock below EMA 200, but above EMA 20, 50, and 100. So ito po yung mga stock na nasa below EMA 200, but above EMA 20, EMA 50, and EMA 100. Okay. So I hope we learn something about this stock market. And that's it. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.